Hello guys, today we're going to be unboxing the M1 MacBook Air in silver. So let's begin. I might also set it up on camera here. So it's a very simple unboxing experience here. You just pull that little flap, take out the plastic. Come on. It's almost there. There we go. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, so let's take this out. It's actually not that heavy. So inside we get the charger, USB-C to USB-C, and we get the brick. So you gotta plug it in, obviously. And then you get your papers, manuals, which we don't really care about. I'm gonna take off the plastic here. There we go. It also comes with 3 to 4 months of Apple TV Plus, Apple Music, and iCloud Plus. So that's also really nice. Got it for $750 instead of $1,000. I wasn't gonna pay $1,000 for it. So let's set that to the side here. And then here's the laptop. That's really nice. I got the silver model. That looks, oh no, that looks silver. How do I take, let's see. There we go. Let's see if it turns on, or if you need to like charge it. Usually after you turn it on, or whatever, usually after you like open it up, it turns on. So you might have to plug it in, which is fine. But if it's dead, then we will just end the video. So let's see. I don't think there's a power button. I think you just gotta hit the fingerprint. Let's see. Maybe it's dead. Maybe that's why. Oh, I didn't even turn on the... There we go. There we go. Okay. That's really nice. It's really lightweight. We have this HP laptop, but it's like 10 years old, and yeah, just slow. So I thought, hey, this one's really good. So let's angle this correctly, kinda. Okay. Trackpad's nice. Let's make it brighter here, if I can. Maybe I can't yet. We're in the United States. We're into our Wi-Fi. I'm gonna type this in real quick. Okay, so let's connect real quick. I might do updates, but it's at work today. I'm just gonna do this video and then play with it when I get home. Never really owned a Mac computer before, so I don't want to migrate. I'll do this later. I don't remember my stuff. Agree. And then I guess I gotta set this up. I don't think I want a password. Can I just do like that? I need to put a password? Really? The trackpad's really nice. The keyboard feels great. First, I gotta put up. I know with Windows you can just hit enter and you don't need to put a password in. I'll log in later. See if I can do the break. Oh, I can. There we go. Wow, that's great. That's pretty. That's bright enough, honestly. I don't care about location. Time zone. I'm in the United States. Siri. Touch ID. Sure, why not? I'm just using my right thumb here. There we go. Touch ID's ready. Dark mode. Looks really nice. Honestly, for $750, this is a really good deal. And then we're set up. Let me just focus. There we go. I'm going to lower the brightness here. There we go. Yeah, so go over the specs here. We have here, just because of the serial number. So you have the M1 Air and silver, and it's 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, so not bad. So see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.